Google Gemini new free updates are insane. You are sleeping on the most powerful free AI tool right now. While everyone's talking about paid subscriptions, Google just handed you features that used to cost money for free. And most people have no idea these updates even exist. If you're still using AI the same way you were 6 months ago, you're already behind. These updates change how you research, create, write, and automate your entire workflow. And I'm going to walk you through every single one. I'm Ava, an AI educator, and today we're breaking down exactly what Google just gave you for free inside Gemini and what you need to start using right now. Let's start with the biggest one, the one that used to be locked behind a paid plan. Deep Research is now available to free users. That's huge. Deep Research is Gemini's built-in research tool. You give it a topic, it browses hundreds of websites on your behalf, reads through all of it, and then builds you a detailed, structured, multi-page report with sources and citations. Not a quick summary, a proper research document, the kind of thing that used to take hours. Free users now get up to 5 deep research reports per month using the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. That's enough to run it for real projects and actually see what it can do. And here's something most people don't know yet. You can now upload your own files directly into Deep Research, PDFs, images, your own notes. It will cross-reference your private documents with public web data and combine them into one report. That's a completely different level than just searching Google. Deep Research can also pull context from your Gmail, your Google Drive, and your Google Chat. So if you wanted to factor in your own emails or files stored in Drive, it can do that too. This is one of those features where once you use it, you can't go back to doing research the old way. Now let me tell you about Canvas, because this is where things get really interesting. Canvas is Gemini's collaborative creative workspace. Think of it as a live editing space where you can build documents, code, websites, apps, and interactive content, all in real time with Gemini working alongside you. And it's available to all users. Here's what you can actually do inside Canvas right now. You can create fully working code and see a live preview of it before you even leave Gemini. You can take a deep research report and turn it into an interactive quiz or an audio overview directly inside Canvas. You can upload a source and Canvas will build you a full presentation with images and data visualizations that you can export directly to Google Slides. This rolled out to pro subscribers first, with free users getting access shortly after, so check your account. And if someone shares a canvas with you, you can now copy it and make your own edits. Really useful for collaboration. Now here's one I want to flag because a lot of people missed it. Gemini Live is now free for everyone on Android and iOS, not just audio, camera and screen sharing too. Gemini Live lets you have a natural, real-time spoken conversation with Gemini. You can interrupt it, ask follow-ups, come back to it later. It feels less like typing into a chatbot and more like actually talking to someone. The camera sharing part is powerful. You can literally point your phone at something, say what you're looking at, and Gemini helps you figure it out in real time. Google has noted that Gemini Live conversations are on average 5 times longer than text-based conversations, which tells you people are finding it genuinely useful once they start using it. And it now connects to your Google Apps too. You can be talking through plans in Gemini Live, and it can create a Google Calendar event for you on the spot. It's integrating with Google Maps, Calendar, Tasks, and Keep, with more connections being added. All free, all on your phone. Before I keep going, let me tell you something. When I first started using these Gemini tools, I was honestly overwhelmed. There was so much to try, and I didn't know which features were actually worth my time versus which ones were just impressive demos. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now let me keep going because there's more. Free users now also get limited access to Gemini 2.5 Pro. This matters because 2.5 Pro is one of the most capable AI models available right now. It's particularly strong at reasoning, math, code, and complex tasks. Free users get up to 5 prompts per day with it. That sounds small, but 5 well-crafted prompts on a tough problem can move a lot of work forward. The default model for free users is Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is fast, capable, and handles the vast majority of everyday tasks extremely well. Let's talk about image generation because free users got a meaningful upgrade here too. Gemini is now using Imagen 4. This is Google's newest image model, and it produces noticeably better quality than before, with richer details and much better text rendering inside images. Free users can generate up to 100 images per day. That's not a typo. 100 images per day for free. You can also edit images with text prompts. Upload a photo, describe what you want changed, and Gemini will adjust it. Native image editing is built right into the app. There's also a new feature called temporary chat that's quietly really useful. You start a temporary chat and that conversation doesn't get saved to your history, won't be used to train Google's models, and won't personalize your Gemini experience. It's a clean slate for anything you'd rather keep private or just don't want cluttering up your history. Now let me talk about audio overviews because this one doesn't get enough attention. You can take any document, any PDF, any deep research report, and convert it into a podcast-style audio conversation. Two AI hosts talk through the content with different perspectives. So instead of reading a long report, you listen to it on your commute. It's built on the same technology as Notebook LM's audio overviews, and it's now available inside the main Gemini app. There's also something called gems, which are customized versions of Gemini that you configure for specific tasks. Say you always need Gemini to respond in a certain tone, follow certain formatting rules, or focus on a specific area. You set that up once as a gem, and every time you open it, Gemini already knows how you want it to behave. You can build gems for content writing, customer emails, research, code review, anything. Available to all users. Let me also mention the Gemini in Chrome integration because this one is rolling out and worth knowing about. Gemini is coming to Chrome on desktop. You'll be able to ask Gemini to clarify complex information on any web page you're reading or summarize content, all without leaving your browser. It started rolling out to paid subscribers first and is expanding from there, so keep an eye out for it in your account. One more that I want to highlight because it's genuinely useful for learning anything new. Gemini can now generate interactive quizzes on any topic. Upload your own notes, PDFs, or documents, and it builds a custom quiz from them. You get hints, explanations for right and wrong answers, and a summary at the end showing exactly what to study more. Great for professional development, learning new tools, or getting up to speed on anything unfamiliar fast. So let me quickly recap what you're getting on the free tier right now. Deep research with up to 5 reports a month, Canvas for building documents, code, apps, and interactive content, Gemini Live with camera and screen sharing on mobile, limited access to Gemini 2.5 Pro with 5 prompts a day, up to 100 image generations daily using Imagen 4, audio overviews, gems for customized AI workflows, temporary chat for private sessions, and interactive quiz generation. That is an enormous amount of capability sitting at $0 a month. The real question is, are you using it? If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. There's a lot more coming on how to actually get the most out of Gemini and other AI tools. See you in the next one.